I hear something on the sky, or I just dreaming. I hear something flying, like helicopter or something. I don't have fear. I think even my parrot sensing the siren. That's why he's making noises. He knows the siren gonna blare. Animals can sense everything that I can't. I think my parrot sensing the siren. You know she gonna blare. Look how he is screaming. I think he know that it's going to blare. I guess it's gonna start within 2 minutes. It's take 5 minutes till the siren blaring. 3 is past it. Or maybe it's gonna start in 1 minute. But I know the siren gonna blare just because what my parrot doing. Even my dog can feel the siren long before she starts. Here, I know it's gonna start within 1 minute. She's blaring. We'll try to spot them.